This past weekend, I traveled to Texas for TumblerCon. I had an absolutely amazing time, and I wanted to share a little bit of my trip with you. I flew into Houston to stay the night with my friend Erica from 321 Cup Designs and our other friend Stacy before we all headed to Plano together. And I just had to make a cup while I was there.
What color would you put with blue?
Well, I immediately think purple.
I was just going to say, I thought purple.
All right, let's do purple. Okay.
We got to play around in her craft room. I made a couple custom glitter mixes for her using her glitters, of course. We had so much fun. I laughed so hard, and it was really fun to craft with my friends. So if you ever have the opportunity to do this craft with other people and hang out with your friends, I highly recommend it. This was so much fun. Here's the recipe.
Okay. I usually write it on the lid, but I don't have 4,200.
I wrote you a recipe card.
Have you been filming this whole time?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm like, I have to pause or all my storage would be gone.
That is beautiful.
Yes.
Look at that.
1,000% yes. All the yeses.
You can name these whatever you want, Erica. They're yours.
They're your colors.
What color do you think we should call this purple?
We need a name for it.
We need a name for it.
What do you think? The first word that pops in your head.
Oh my God.
All right. This is called I Don't Know.
Blue glitter.
Blue glitter.
Blue glitter.
I love it.
There you go.
That's fantastic. I don't know him. Blue glitter.
Tell them that a 5-year-old named them.
No, I'm going to say I named him.
I think it's gorgeous.
Nope, I think it's perfect, just like that.
I mean, it's like such an ombre.
That is a great ombre.
It's like, couldn't get any more perfect of an ombre.
Okay.
It's the greatest ombre. It's the greatest ombre of all time.
Oh, thank you.
That's what you should name the video.
The greatest
The
ombre of all
greatest
times.
ombre of all time.
My mom says, "Are you asleep yet?" Absolutely not. I'm glittering your cup.
Are you asleep? It's 7 o'clock.
7:30. And it's
What are you talking
5:30
about?
my time. Yeah, I'm asleep. One coat, baby. Look at how fun that is. One coat. Don't be 2 coats.
1 in the morning.
You wanna fight me?
I like your enthusiasm.
Look how pretty she is. You don't think it's going to be 1 coat? I think it's probably 2 also, but I think maybe we could do. What? After our super fun evening in the craft room, we set out for Plano. Of course, we had to stop at Buc-ee's. This was a brand new experience for me. I'd never been there, and I had a fantastic time, let me tell you. We also stopped at Sonic, which is another thing that I've never done. And then we met up with the rest of the crew. We all had lunch together, just hung out at the house. I made a new puppy friend, I had to. And we had another fantastic night of laughs.
You're driving in the car. She's wait.
After a night of laughing so hard my face hurt, it was finally time to get to TumblerCon on Friday. After a full 8-hour day of shopping at TumblerCon, we all got together back at the Airbnb and did some unboxing. We all shared what we bought, did a little shopping haul, show and tell, and then it was time for our group Airbnb cup swap. We decided to, of course, do a cup swap just to celebrate the occasion. Okay. I will never say no to a cup swap. I love doing them. I think they're such a great way to test your creativity, build community, make memories with friends, getting to give somebody else something that hopefully they love and will enjoy. And then you get something from another maker that they worked hard on. And I think they're so much fun. I really, really enjoy doing them. And I got 3 amazingly beautiful, wonderful cups from 3 of my wonderful friends, Jamie, Ashley, and Rachel. I am currently using all 3 of them right now. So I love cup swaps, and that's the end of this part of the story.
That is gorgeous.
See,
That
that
looks right
makes
there.
me smile.
That's so great.
Yes. That was amazing.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh my god. That is cute.
I love it.
Yes.
I'm really starting to dig
Yeah.
this. Did you mix this too?
We had a template from
That looks really
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
I keep seeing, I'm like, this is not gonna.
Yes.
This is what I was gonna shred, and then I decided to play more. And
Yeah.
We're gonna start this. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm like, this is legit. I thought I had too much. There was too much. Everybody.
After our cup swap, it was time to get ready for my MBMN Elite Patreon exclusive dinner. Everyone in my group that went to TumblerCon all came and had dinner together as a group. It was so much fun, and I loved spending that quality time with everyone. After dinner, I was exhausted. It was time for bed. And then we got up on Saturday morning, ready for day 2 of TumblerCon. Honestly, on Saturday, I was having so much fun talking to people, taking photos, getting to know some new people. I pretty much completely forgot to vlog anything, but I had such an amazing time meeting everyone. And after the end of day 2, I just lounged out by the pool, hung out with everyone at the Airbnb, and I had my first ever Texas barbecue dinner, which was absolutely delicious, by the way. And then finally, it was Sunday. It was the last day of TumblerCon. I stopped by for a little bit to say some goodbyes, do a final little walkthrough, make sure I didn't miss anything while I was shopping, and I had a building named after me. And then it was time to go home. I had an absolutely incredible time this last weekend, getting to meet a lot of you guys in person, and all of your kind words really, really touched my heart and made me so happy inside. I love meeting you guys, and it just was a wonderful experience, and I cannot wait for the next one. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlog style video. I will be doing some more vlog type content on my second channel. It's linked down below in the description box. I'll be documenting my move to my new house, setting up my craft space, and some more just kind of behind the scenes, more personal type stuff. So if you enjoy videos like that, you can subscribe to my second channel, and I will be back with a brand new Tumblr tutorial this Saturday. Okay, love you guys so, so, so much, and I'll see you then. Okay, bye!